In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons not charging on the Switch or the Switch 2. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, make sure that your Switch is plugged in and charged. You can either place it in the dock and make sure the dock is plugged in, or plug in the official AC adapter directly into the USB-C port. Once plugged in, check the battery icon up at the very top. As you can see, mine currently says 88%, just to confirm that the console is charging, and then go to the controllers tab on the home menu right here. Open it up, and what you're going to want to go ahead and do is make sure the Joy-Cons show the charging symbol as well. It's going to look like a little battery icon that my Pro controller is currently showing. Just keep in mind, you got to leave your Switch in rest mode, not fully powered off. To put it in rest mode, go ahead and go down to this little power button right here, select this, and then choose enter sleep mode or rest mode. If they still aren't charging for you, go ahead and remove them by holding the release button on the back and slide them upwards, or go ahead and just hold the release button on the back and then go ahead and slide them outwards. After you go ahead and do that, you're going to see a small little button towards the very top. Go ahead and select that to reset it and then reattach it to the console. If it's still not working, check the metal rails and make sure that there's no debris in there. If there is, go ahead and use a cotton swab, a soft brush, or a toothbrush to clean those out. You don't want anything blocking it. If it's still not working for you, go ahead and hold the power button up at the very top of the Switch itself. After you go ahead and do that, hold it down until the screen turns black, release the button, hold it down again to restart the Switch. Once it does boot back up, check to see if those Joy-Cons are charging. One of these methods should fix it for you. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.